In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove OneDrive from File Explorer on Windows 10. This process will be a straightforward one, and it should take just around 5 minutes to complete. So, let's get started. First, if you're looking at your Windows taskbar, you should see a small cloud icon. That's your OneDrive icon. Give it a click to open up the OneDrive settings panel. Once the panel is open, you should see a gear icon which represents the settings for OneDrive. Clicking on this icon will bring down a drop-down menu, and from there you'll want to select Settings. This will pull up a new window with multiple tabs across the top. At this point you'll want to navigate to the Account tab. This tab contains the details related to your OneDrive account, including options that allow you to manage how your PC is connected to OneDrive. Here, look for the option that says Unlink this PC. Clicking it will prompt a confirmation message just to make sure you're certain about unlinking your PC from OneDrive. Once you've confirmed, your PC will no longer be linked to OneDrive. Now, to completely remove OneDrive from your computer, we'll need to uninstall it. You can do this by opening your Windows settings. Simply click on the Start menu and then choose Settings. In the settings window, look for the section labelled Apps and give it a click. This is where all the programs installed on your computer are listed. If you want a quicker way to find OneDrive within the app settings, you can also use the search bar on your taskbar. Just type OneDrive and it should pop up as one of the search results. Click on it to proceed. Once you've located OneDrive in your apps list or from the search results, click on it. You'll see an option to uninstall. Click uninstall to begin the process and follow any additional prompts to complete the uninstallation. And there you have it. OneDrive is now removed from your File Explorer and your computer. If at any time you decide you want to use OneDrive again, you can easily download and install it from the official Microsoft website. And just like that, in just a few steps, you've successfully removed OneDrive from your Windows 10 computer. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for more, and as always, happy computing.